Hey there, I'm Tabish Bibikar and I coach and mentor founders of software companies to build scale in their business fast. I wanted to give a shout out with my top 3 reasons on why hiring a business coach can be a game changer for your software company. Reason 1, you don't know what you don't know. Ever feel like you're missing something in your strategy? A business coach is that extra set of eyes who can spot gaps, help refine your processes and uncover opportunities you might not see. Even Bill Gates said, everyone needs a coach. Reason 2, accountability that actually works. Running a company means juggling a lot and it's easy for priorities to slip. A coach is your accountability partner, making sure those important tasks don't fall through the cracks. Think of it as having a gym coach for your business, keeping you on track and moving you forward. Reason 3, tailored, not generic advice. Forget the one-size-fits-all advice from business books. A coach gives you strategies that work specifically for your company's needs and goals. Customized guidance means you make smarter moves without wasting time. So if you're wondering whether hiring a coach is worth it, the answer is simple, absolutely. They bring perspective, accountability, and tailored advice to help you scale faster. Thanks for watching.